Okay, okay guys, back again to me. I am Afifi and this is my works with my friend Shafiq and Hadi.
Oke, halo guys.
Hello. Okay, today we are going to make VLAN. We will make network track like this topology. Okay. First of all, we can okay. First of all, we connect our computer to the router, and we get login in here. Okay, we can see our wireless disconnect or not. How to connect our uh, wireless to network? We can click it and we can uh, setting the mode with station or station bridge, and we can apply it and okay, and we go to security profile and we add the network like this. Then you can uh, custom this name,
Nem.
and you can click the dynamic keys. You can click this one and this one, and you put your password of your Wi-Fi or your hotspot. If you done, you can apply your you can apply it and okay, and you back to Wi-Fi interface and you can scan first. Start to scan. You search the network, and I use the hotspot right now.
Sungsang.
Hotspot, the name is Sumsang, and we can connect it. Okay, hello. Sumsang connect. The wireless is connected with the hotspot, and the next step we can go to interface. We add the interface with VLAN 20 and VLAN 10. We can add the IP like this, IP VLAN 20 and VLAN 10. We can add this IP to address in here. You can first edit address. We edit in here,
Edit in IP
10
address.
in and 20, and you can select the VLAN 10 or the 20 root. You can search it as you can choose it, but the IP is uh, optional. You can use the one or other else, or you can make your IP yours for yourself. Okay, next we go to interface. We go to VLAN. How we can add this like this? We go to VLAN and we add at the VLAN. We put the name. What you will name it your VLAN is optional up to you. And if you're done, you can put your ID like this VLAN 10 and VLAN 20. Okay, you can make like this VLAN 20 and the ID is 20. Okay. After that, we back to interface. The interface will um, will edit in the Ether 2. Why not the Ether 1? The Ether 1 is the Ethernet. This connect to hotspot. Okay. And why the Ether 3 is connected to internet? Because I use the Ether 3 in here because the Ether 1 is for the wireless and the Ether 2 for this switch. That's why I use the Ether 3. Okay, next. After you add the VLAN 20 and VLAN 10, you can back go to back and you can set the routers one, the routers two. Sorry. If you finish to setting this one, you can you can you can go to you can setting to this. But first we unplug the VLAN first. Okay, we unplug it or we shut down the Winbox first. Okay, we shut down it. We unplug it. Okay. Iya dia posisinya di gue. We open the Winbox again. Kemarin ini tapi we bisa disalurkan. We log in the router. Okay. How we can add the okay. First we open the interface. The interface is different from the switch one. Because why? Because we just use the one internet in here. And why the why this the router one and the router two is different? The router one we just use one ethernet, and the router two we use two ethernet for two clients. And we use the ether 3 ether 4 because the ether 3 and ether 2 used to host, and ether 1 to we we connected to a trunk. How we can make like this? We go to VLAN and add your okay. First we go to interface and we uh, we give the ether one name. We click this. We give the name trunking port. Okay, the port for ether 1 is trunk, and port the ether 2 for VLAN 10, and port the for ether 3 is VLAN 20. Okay, after you give the name, You can go to bridge. The fuck? After that, you can go to bridge, and you add the bridge. You can give the name bridge one, and okay. You after you add the bridge, you go to VLAN in here. Eh, wait, upgrade. Okay, you go to after that you go to switch and uh, check your switch first. You must have your switch, and second, and after that you can add this. How we can add this? We make it this like this. You give the name ether one. You make the VLAN mode secure. This is for ether one. Secure, and add if missing, and you can apply it. Okay, and for the ether two, you can click the secure, and always trick not add if missing. Add if missing just for ether one, because the ether one is trunk for trunking the ether 3 and ether 4. Okay. Oh, I'm sorry. Before that we add the switch in here. We add the VLAN in here. The switch one, switch one, VLAN ID. We use the VLAN 10. From the ether one, you trunk to ether 3. Because why? Because the ether 2 is for uh, VLAN 20. Okay. How about with ether 2? This is like the same same trick like before. The ether 1 trunk to ether 2. Okay. After you add it in the switch, you can go to bridge, and you set it ether 1, bridge 1. Okay. Oh no. You can go to switch to port, and you can set it like I explained before, like this: ether 1, ether 2, ether 3. How can we set it? Okay. After you set it, look, you can go to bridge and check are this network is work or not, and the port is can use or not, and you go back to interface. The port is can use, and after you config all the this thing, we can go check to ping in the host. uh, in my laptop I will use the ether ether 3. The ether 3 use the IP 20. Let's ping 9. Let's see. Okay, after that you can open the terminal, and you can ping the IP. Ping. Wait a minute. You can ping the IP. You can go to terminal and you can do ping. I forget what the IP. Uh, okay, okay. The IP, the Ethernet is can use. And how about with the ping or the Ethernet, the VLAN 10? We can try it. Okay, I'm sorry. I I I not the setting this Ethernet first. We edit first this. Ping. Okay, we can use the internet, but the internet in here is very weak, and maybe we